So today I've got a little project for the daily driver. This is the fob for my Model S. It's not a key. If you call it a key, they will ridicule you. I've been using this little rubber condom thing because the back keyring hole has been trashed for a couple of weeks now. I just had some mobile service done with the car, and I was able to procure from them a rebuild kit for the fob, which is in here. This is all of the part information. I'm not actually sure if you can buy this from the dealership without them, or sorry, service center, without them knowing your VIN and some other information. But they were there. This is the kit. It's 9 pieces. This thing is 9 pieces. So I'm guessing the first thing I got to do is take off the battery door, which is in the front, which I believe you actually take off from the front, not from the back. Not entirely positive on that, but I'm going to take that off first, and then I think we do the sides, and then the back maybe. I'm not entirely sure. I have the full fob rebuild, so I'm going to do the whole thing, but definitely going to save all the spare parts in case there's something else that breaks or if I lose the battery door. I don't know. It's a little silly, I think. Well, you're probably back to front on that. That comes right off. Next, I think I'm going to try taking the little... I guess I could look at these parts. The actual keyring piece. Oh, yeah. So it looks like the sides definitely come off first. Let me get a place to set all this stuff. So I just took my blade and twisted a little bit, and the side pieces, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this with one hand, probably not. Well, maybe. The side pieces come off like that. Just do that for the other side, and then we'll figure out how to split the top and bottom. Well, that's nice. This is actually pretty self-explanatory. So there's 4 little tabs we'll have to pull up, and then we should be able to separate the top and the bottom. If you're just doing a battery, you can actually skip the step of taking the sides off and just take the little battery out. It's a CR2032, very standard. But yeah, I'm gonna go, like I said, the full 9 yards and replace all of it since I paid $40 plus tax for this. So here is the inside of the fob. Get a little primo something or other and just lift the board out. So there are our buttons. And there's the back side of the PCB. Very, very simple thing. Just 3 buttons. So I'm gonna just set the board upside down over here. And I'm going to prep the new shell by taking the upper, this looks like the upper, yeah. So take that, and then I've gotta find the cage, which it looks like that's maybe not included. Okay, so we might have to reuse this cage, which holds these little button stabber things. What a nightmare. I lost one being stupid, so don't flip this over once you take it out. Just pop it into your new shell, and then immediately put your circuit board back on it, and then prep your new base piece, like this. To snap on. However, put your battery in first, which looks like that actually has to be done from the underside. No, that can't be. Could be. But anyway, snap this together. And I probably just opened the trunk on my car outside or something. Oh, I put the battery in upside down. That's why. Oh, that actually does have to be done from the bottom side, it looks like. So be more careful than I just did there, because I gotta pop this back up now. Okay, so 2 things. You do not have to split it to do the battery, and also transfer your metal clip thing over. That apparently isn't included with the new fob carrier thing. And hey presto, fully rebuilt. Should probably make sure it actually works, and I was wrong, it comes with a button cage. It's right in there, so, oops. But yeah, that's actually a pretty simple process. If you knew what you were doing, this would only take you about 2 minutes.